Welcome back. Welcome to Refresh Concepts with me, Dinesh Modi. Let's proceed further. Now, children, what we are going to do is we are going to see problems on cuboid and cube. Right? At times only cube will be there, cuboid will be there. At times mixture of both will be there. So we have stated problems on cuboid and cube. Now, children, before you start cube and cuboid problems based on that, I want you to very well versed with the formulas. Right? So let's refresh. For cuboid, area of base is equals to area of top, which is L into B. Area of vertical face is twice L plus B into H. Total surface area is twice LB plus BH plus LH. Volume is L into B into H. For cube, area of base is equals to area of top, which is L square. Area of vertical face 4L square. Total surface area 6L square. Volume is going to be L cube. Let's now start with our sum. The volume of a cubic block, it's a cubic block, is 0.008 meter cube. If 50 such blocks are placed one above the other, okay, one cube, its volume given, 50 being placed one above the other. Find the height of the pillar so form. Also find the volume of the pillar. I think so. Sum is quite simple. I did not make any kind of diagram. If you want, we'll try to say so. Say this is one cube. We are not going to make 50, mind you. We are not going to make 50, but I'm just going to make you understand that this is how the structure will look like. Say this is another one. This is another one. This is going to be the third one. This is going to be the third one. Likewise, how many? So 50 is what will be having it. Likewise, how many? 50 is what will be having it. One above the other. One above the other. Volume of each. Mind you, each volume is given to us. What is the volume of each one? 0.008 meter cube. So do I know the length of side of cube? No. Let's find out that. Why? Because if 50 such blocks are placed one above the other, find the height. Don't you think so that if I know height of one, will I get height of 50 by just multiplying by 50? Right? Lastly, find the volume of the entire pillar. Before I move on, can you tell me if 50 being placed one above the other, what kind of structure it is going to form? Will it remain cube or will it transform to? It will transform to cuboid. Many must have answered correct. That 50 cubes when placed one above the other, there is no longer a cube structure. Cuboidal structure will take place, right? We are going to get a cuboidal structure. Fine. Starting with our solution. What is our sum trying to say? Volume of each cubic block. So, volume of each cubic block is 0.008 meter cube. Let L be the length of side of each cube. Volume is equals to L cube. We have volume as 0.008 meter cube. So 0.008 is equals to L cube. Before I go for any kind of calculation to find out L, can I say it is 8 upon 1, 2, 3, 1000. Will 8 by 1000 will give me 0.008? Indeed, yes. Why did I do so? Answer is taking cube roots. Taking cube roots. So can I say L is equals to cube root of 8 upon 1, 2, 3? It's going to be very easy now. Cube root of 8 is 2. Cube root of 1000 is 10. I'm left with 0.2 meter. What I'm left with? 0.2 meter. So now I got my length of side of cube. Length of side of cube is 0.2 meter. Was that the thing which I was supposed to find out? No. If 50 such are placed one above the other, find the height of the pillar. So what is height of the pillar? Height of the pillar when 50 are placed one above the other, if one is 0.2, one is 0.2 into 50, into 50. Now this decimal and this 0 will take care of itself. What I'm left with, 5 2s are 10 meter. 5 2s are 10 meter. As simple as that. Height of pillar. Height of the pillar. Let me box it out as one of the answer. Now there are many who already went for the next part of the question also. Find the volume. According to me, there are two set of students who are working on the volume part. According to me, there are two set of students who are working on the volume part. One set of student is trying to work out that when 50 being placed, this is going to be 0.2. This is going to be 0.2, length, breadth 0.2, and the height is going to be 10. So the structure is going to be cuboid, and we find out 0.2 into 0.2 into 10. Volume. So volume is going to be L into B into H. So 0.2 into 0.2 into 10. But why do in this way? There are second set of students who are right now even telling me, sir, we have a much simpler way. What is that simpler way? Volume of the pillar formed, volume of the entire pillar formed. Volume of the pillar is nothing but 50 into volume of each. 50 into volume of each. As simple as that. 50 into volume of each. 0.008. 50 into volume of each. 0.008. When you multiply, 0.4 meter cube is the answer. How come? 1 0 and 1 0 decimal will take care. 8 5s are 40. So one more 0 will take care of one more decimal. So what I'm left with is 0.4 meter cube. What I'm left with is 0.4 meter cube. As simple as that. So there are many who worked out in this way, but there were some set of students who were trying to work out in this way, 0.2 into 0.2 into 10. Children, again you are going to get the same answer. 0.2 into 0.2 is 0.04. Into 10, 0.4. But why go in this way? Why can't? Simple. Right? As simple as that. We write down the volume of pillar. Volume of the pillar. So there are who went with that, who were thinking in that direction. But I feel that this is what the direction should be. But this is very simple.